Hi. So now what we need to do is, now you need to work on a complex number class. Very similar to a fraction class, right? So a complex number class that we should be able to do stuff like this. I should be able to say I want to create a new complex number. I should be able to create it in 3 ways. I should be able to give both real and imaginary part. I should be able to say I just want to give the real part. Or I should be able to say I don't want to give any of them, right? So I should be able to do initialize with 2 arguments, 1 argument and 0 argument, right? So I should be able to create a complex number with all these 3. I think if I passed only real, imaginary should become 0. If I pass with 0 arguments, I don't give you real or imaginary part, either of them, then both of them should become 0, right? Now you would have to write a print function. You will have to write a add function. You will have to write a multiply function, right? Very similar. So if I have a C1 complex number, I should be able to say C1.add C2. I should be able to say C1.multiply C2. And this should basically mean that C1 changes its value to C1 plus C2. This should basically mean C1 is equals to C1 into C2, something similar, right? These two complex numbers multiplied, the new value should go into C1. So we should be able to print, we should be able to add, we should be able to multiply. I'll say add a conjugate function as well. That is very simple. It simply just creates a plus iota b becomes a minus iota b, right? It should return the conjugate of a complex number. So you need to do that as well, right? So very simple functions that you need to create with these requirements as well. You should be able to do it very straightforward way as we did for fraction. Okay, thank you.